yung label na yan. Pero yeah, it's an honor and I'm thankful to be part of this project along with the co-actors and yeah, I'm just happy na I think I'm confident naman I did my best sa movie na to and I tried to help Geraldine throughout her scenes and since she's kind of new there are also some scenes na di ko pa nagawa dati and ayun, it's exciting.
Ano yung scenes na hindi mo pa nagawa?
Siyempre, hindi ko sasabihin yun.
Oh my gosh,
kailangan nilang abangan yan.
Parang feeling ko, may mga makikita silang mga pandesal dito from you. Oo, di ba? Pero yan, congratulations, no? Kasi talagang ikaw yung naisip ng production na bagay with Geraldine. Okay? Pero eto, si Balot, yan. Siyempre, nakakatuwa. Sana mas nakakatuwa kung bubuksan nyo na po yung ilaw. Ilaw na ba? Pero pabukas po yung mga ilaw dito, please. Inilawan lang tayo ng ABS-CBN at saka ng Abante. Okay, Balot, anong nararamdaman mo na pag ganito? Kasi dati, talagang yung lahat ng mga senior stars, mga important stars of Regal, talaga nakasuporta din sa'yo, di ba? Nung time na ikaw yung nilulons, even sa Cinco doon, di ba? Ngayon, nakikita mo yung sarili mo kay Geraldine. Oh, kasi syempre, dati, talaga naman isa ka sa pinakabatang artista din.
Yeah. Hi, Geraldine. Ano, it was it's nice to be working with young talented artists, especially their willingness to learn the craft. Kahit baguhan si Geraldine and of course si Sam and the rest, talagang lahat sila makikita mo lahat sila makikita mo na talagang interesado matuto and they're talagang giving their 100% sa ginagawa nilang trabaho. Kaya nakakatuwa. Paying it forward. Yeah.
Thank you, Balon. At eto, magtatanong ng ating press people. Yan. Una natin magtanong si Don Sermino. Oo, ikaw na Don. Kasi kanina tumayo ka bigla. Tatawagin kita.
Hindi, kasi anyways, Geraldine and Jameson, first time yung mag-meet. So, ano yung impression niya sa isa't isa muna? And then after niya mag-shoot, ano na yung pagkakilala niya sa isa't isa?
Yeah, when I first met Jameson, he was very nice, very polite, very talkative.
Talkative.
Yeah, we talked a lot when we had dinner with him and LVD and my mom. So yeah, and on set he's very professional with all the scenes, regardless of what it is, and very helpful. And yeah, that's what I think.
Jameson.
And I'm really happy na I got to work with Geraldine and like what Miss Lotlot said, it's a different feeling na because usually when I do scenes or when I do projects, there's always someone that's mentoring me. Pero this time, siguro I'm helping her this time. I feel old na. Pero ayun, I appreciate na I can see that she's trying her best in every scene, and especially na she's just new. Pero nagawa naman niya, and I believe na we work together well, and hopefully people will see that sa film na to.
Geraldine, single ka naman na? Are you single?
Yeah, I'm single. I don't have a boyfriend.
Okay, so is it possible for you to,
I don't know. It's just very professional in work. You know, it's professional.
But is he attractive?
Yeah.
So physically, ano ang mga type mo kay Jameson?
What do you mean?
Physically, ano yung mga type mo? Yung, ano ba? Nagugustuhan mo? Hindi mo gusto yun?
Well, it's very professional, you know.
No, physically, like his face or his dimples?
Yeah, his dimples, the eyes, yeah.
Okay. And how was the, the kissing scene? I saw a picture kanina na may kissing scene kayo. Can you tell us more about the kissing scene. First time mo naman siguro, no? Ay, kasi
Kissing
first
scene,
movie,
yeah. It's my first kissing scene, yeah.
on screen.
Yeah, it was fine. It was
Yeah.
natural. It was normal. I wasn't nervous at all. It was just normal, you know. He's a nice person. So, and I knew him beforehand. So it wasn't like I didn't know him. So yeah, it was good. It was fine.
It was good and it was fine.
Yeah.
How normal is normal? Hindi ba yung torrid kissing scene or...
Sorry, can you repeat the question? Sorry.
Hindi ba yung torrid kissing scene? The kissing scene?
It's not what's
Torrid ka? Okay.
torrid. No, it was
Okay.
just it was
Torrid
yeah,
namin yung din sa
it
show.
was just normal. Yeah.
Normal lang, like a smack or a...
Yeah, it was normal. It was just smooch. Yeah.
Ayan. So, ikaw naman, Jameson, kumusta naman yung... Siyempre, hindi mo pwede ikwento kung ano yung mga first time mong ginawa nila. So, kumusta bang kakissing scene naman si Geraldine? Since first time niya talaga. At ikaw naman, I'm sure may experience ka na nila sa
She did okay. Yeah, she did okay. I mean, she knows how to kiss, I would say. Pero I mean, siguro I guided her at one part because there was a scene na parang medyo slow and has to be more romantic. I just told her, let's try to kiss a bit slower this time. Parang ganun. I'm just giving her these kind of tips, parang ganun. And then we did it and we tried to change it in other scenes na para iba naman yung atake sa bawat eksena. Yun.
Last na lang, kissing scene lang ba ang ginawa niyo dalawa sa pelikula or more than that?
You guys will see sa movie.
Okay. Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you, Don Don. At syempre, ito magtatanong, Bix Almacen. Yan.
Hi, Geraldine and Jameson, and the rest
Hello.
of the cast. Hey, Geraldine, what do you like most about Jameson? About the attitude or
His
working
attitude?
yeah.
Well, just very professional and like helpful. Like he helped me a lot because I knew. Yeah, that's just very professional and he's really good at acting. So, yeah.
So, naman, Jameson, ano yung gusto mo kay Geraldine?
Geraldine, she's very friendly, very approachable, and you can see na kahit she's new to this, but she's very open to advices, to suggestions, and that's what I like about her. She's being professional.
Nag-ask ba siya ng advice when it comes to acting and sa showbiz?
Ano ba? Sorry?
Nag-ask na ba siya ng advice sa acting?
Usually, yeah, for some scenes, kasi we had someone that's helping us during the scenes. I only gave some tips na, very small tips like yung mga na-experience ko dati. For example, I would think about my lines too much, tas na-rattle ako. So I just gave her that kind of tip na siguro, don't think about your lines too much, and maybe focus on the emotion. Some tips na ganyan, yeah, so.
For Geraldine, ito ba have you tried auditioning in United Kingdom?
In the UK?
Yeah.
No, not yet. But like I said, I did singing competitions before, so that's it.
Ngayon dito ka na sa showbiz, ano yung mga na-discover mo sa sarili mo? What did you discover in yourself?
What did I discover? About myself. Yeah, I discovered it is really hard work doing all the scenes. You start at like 8 a.m., you finish at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. So yeah, that's what it's hard work, and yeah, that's what I discovered about it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yan, thank you. Bix, inulit mo yung tanong. Nagtanong na kanina. Ito si Romel Gonzalez. Hi, Romel. Dito na lang sa pakiramay ng live. Ito, yan. Yan. Bongga, umiwas talaga si JD. Kanina nga kumakanta si Doon ko sa
Pahabol ko lang kay Geraldine Tagalog.
Yeah.
Hi, here I'm Romel.
What's your name, sorry?
Romel.
Romel?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Ayun, tanongin kita, Geraldine, kasi kanina natanong, Tagalog daw sabi ni June, natanong ka na about acting and music. Ano naman, wala kang plano na sumali ng beauty pageant?
I really would like to actually. I did do a beauty pageant training when I was 18 with Ian Lorenz. He trained our current Miss Universe, Michelle D. So I did it with him, and I was supposed to do one, but it clashed with my school. So I'm definitely going to pursue that once I graduate. Yeah, I'd like to.
Ano sana yung pageant na sasalihan mo na hindi natuloy?
What Miss Grand in the UK, Miss Grand UK. Yeah.
And if you will be lucky, ano ang i-represent mo? Pilipinas ba? Or since you have multiple nationalities, diba? What will you represent, if ever?
Syempre naman, the Philippines. Definitely, we have the best trainers here. We train all the girls really intensely, and definitely I want to represent the Philippines. Yeah.
Ayan, thank you. And another question, Geraldine, is I'm sure you're aware na yung mother na gumaganap mo sa movies, Miss Lotlot De Leon, is a multi-awarded actress in the Philippines. May mga drama scenes ba kayo? May iyakan? Paano ka nakasabay sa kanya? May ka bang tips?
Yeah, she gave me a lot of tips. She told me, she actually helped me cry in one of my scenes. She told me just to feel the character. I'm not acting, I'm actually the character, and she's very helpful. And yeah, she made me cry for one of my scenes, which I'm really grateful and appreciative about.
Ayun, thank you, Geraldine.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rommel. Ang galing-galing magsalita ni
Rommel.
She gave me a lot of tips. Parang nakikita ko si Leo pag ginagaya niya yung mga ibang social. Diba, international stars, diba? Pero eto, next na magtatanong is si Tom ng Pika Pika. Hi, Tom!
Hello, good evening.
Hi, Tom. Nice to meet you.
I have just one question. Ikaw yung tinatawag na next most important star of 2024. Kumusta yung pressure?
I think I'm pretty good with pressure. Obviously, initially, I get a bit nervous, but I think I'm fine. Like, I like the pressure. I could handle it. Yeah, I could handle it for sure. Thank you so much for your
question. Ito, ang next na magtatanong, Gordy Lula. Bukod kay Geraldine po at saka kay Jameson, syempre kasama rin natin yung mga ibang stars dito at saka producers. Yan. Remind ko lang. So, Gordy Lula. Yan.
Thank you, Tito June. Thank you po, Sir June Lagin.
Mom. Yeah.
Okay. Hindi, mas bagay sa'yo, Sir. Kay Geraldine muna. Geraldine, I'm Gorgie.
Gorgie, hi, nice to meet you po.
You can call me Nai Georgie.
Nai Georgie?
No, it's a joke.
It's a joke, okay.
Anyway, Geraldine, why are you being launched as an actress sa movie na napakagaling mo kumanta? Bakit hindi ka ilo-launch sa singer talaga? Bakit sa movie ka ilo-launch? Sa isang movie?
Well, actually, I'm being launched both singing and acting. But I really like the acting environment. As I said, I did acting classes abroad, and I really enjoy it being another character. And I like the challenge. Singing is not as challenging for me because it's my first love and it's what I've always done. And I like to do new stuff and just step out of my comfort zone. So that's why I'm doing acting. Yeah.
Pero ayaw mo bang makilala ka dito sa Philippines of course, a great singer?
Yeah, I do. I'd love to. I'm flexible. I like to do singing and acting, so yeah.
Pero ako kasi parang tingin ko sa'yo, mas maganda talaga muna sa singing ka. Mas may longevity as a singer. Diba? Kaysa ang mahirap talaga rin mahirap din talaga yung struggle as an actress, di ba? At bagay talaga sa young singer. At mas siguro, may kasama din tayo dito, Geraldine din, and her nickname is G. So, ang bagay dapat siguro, mas bagay sa'yo, G. Jennings. Yan isa sa Santiago. Di ba? Is G? Ha? Gigi ba ang nickname mo?
Gigi's my nickname, yeah, but just call me Geraldine.
Pero parang mas bagay ang Gigi. Gigi Jennings.
Apparently it's a fish here. That's why I'm called G.
Parang mas showbiz.
More
Unless,
showbiz.
if you want to be a singer, bagay din Geraldine lang. Walang family na.
Yeah.
Parang mas may recall. Talagang nanialam daw ako sa pag-handle ni Leo, di ba?
Actually, Gorgie, baka magulat ka. Kasi bukod sa movie at saka sa recording, balak na rin ni Leo na ilagay siya sa States. Kasi gusto ni Leo every month magpapapress ko siya.
May bago. Pero hindi talaga, kasi ako talaga, mas excited ako na mas makilala ka sa singer.
Feeling ko na ganito.
Kasi ang dami na rin ngayong mga bagong mga stars na talagang pinagpo-produce sila, di ba?
But wait until you watch it. You'll love the movie.
Yeah.
If you see it, you'll love it.
Of course.
You'll love
Galing
it.
niya sumagot, di ba?
Pero this project was really was produced for you, para sa iyo. And then the script, lahat in-adjust sa iyo.
Yeah, but all of them, Leo, Johanna, and my mom did. But I put in the work, even though my mom also inputted in producing it. I still had to show up, learn my lines. I went through many acting classes, got a lot of constructive criticism, had to try again. So I definitely did put in the work, and it's going to be a really good movie. So yeah.
Yes, okay, we're looking forward to that. Okay,
Thank you.
Next question ko lang.
Sandali, sisingit ko lang. Geraldine, dinawin natin na later on lang pumasok yung mom mo. It's Leo and Johanna muna. Then, nung nakita ng mom mo, nagandahan siya.
Yeah.
Kasi si Gina, ilang beses siya pumunta sa shooting. Siyempre, baby girl niya pa rin yan, si Geraldine, no? So, nung makita niya, ay, ganito kaayos yung production, ganyan. Tapos nagtanong-tanong siya, tinanong niya si Johanna and Leo, pwede ba akong sumosyo since I'm a businesswoman? Tapos, yes, JD? Yeah. Sandali, JD nag-ano. Okay. So, Leo, di ba, doon pumasok si nag-agree kay Leo.
Okay. So parang sinalo niyo yung project, ano?
Hindi sinalo, sumosyo siya, naging part siya. Inash niya si Leo and Johanan, pwede ba akong sumosyo? Kaya nga dapat kasosyo ako dito, na-out ako, Gordy, di ba?
So nung pinroduce siya, parang hindi naman totoo yun, June. Nung pinroduce siya, kasama na talaga si Geraldine.
Yeah, pero
Tapos,
si Gina came after mga ilang days of shooting.
okay. Oo.
Kasi
Or nag-shoot
ganito yun,
kasi.
the project, we thought of a project for Geraldine.
Okay.
And then we wanted to bring back the days of the early 80s, late 70s of Joey Coscinciao. Yung mga 14, yung mga Dina Bonnevie, mga ganon. So, we thought of a project for Geraldine na ang peg namin was Dina Bonnevie's 14. So, para bang nagpagawa kami ng script na parang paying tribute to Joey Coscinciao. So, that's how this was born. Tapos, originally, the setting is in Babuyan Islands, so may ganun yung title. So, and then, ayun, talagang we planned it months ago, siguro a year ago pa. And then, tinimingan namin kung kailan pwede mag-shoot si Geraldine. So, the best time was her Christmas break. So, we waited na maging December, ganon. And then, when we were shooting, excited si, Miss Gina. Parang, she attended the script reading, and then the look test, and then yung mga second or third shooting day, she approached us, sabi niya, baka she can also invest. Ganyan. So, we welcomed it, diba? So, para mas lumaki pa yung pelikula namin. So, that's how this project was born. Kasi matagal ko nang kino-convince si Miss Gina na mag-artist si Geraldine. Years ago pa. Bago pa mag-pandemic, kino-convince ko na sila.
Okay, thank you, Leo. Thank you. The next question na lang kay Lot. Lot, kasi ang swerte ng mga bagong stars ngayon na nasusupport sila ng mga magagaling at mga mababait na artista. Ikaw nung nag-start ka, syempre, siguro hindi ka rin masyadong nahirapan dahil Nora Honor, Christopher De Leon ang parents mo, di ba? Pero ikaw nung nagsisimula ka ba, Lot, na-experience mo ba na hindi naging
okay, or may mga ibang co-stars na nag-support sa'yo noon na medyo pinahirapan ka? Or nagkaroon ka ng hindi magandang experience with this particular star na nag-support sa'yo nung nagsisimula ka pa? Lalo na yung mga kondesa ba yung prinsesang basahan, mga gano'n, mga galing mga movie. Gus-gusing. Prinsesang something like that. Parang yun ang mga movies na dati, di ba? Oo.
I think I was treated accordingly. So, I remember, nung nagsisimula ako, sobrang lagari ako noon, as in sobra. And then we were doing Prinsesang Gus-gusing. Napagalitan ako ni Tita Nida, she rest in peace, Nida Blanca. And sabi niya, huwag mo kaming sabi niya, you have to be professional, you have to be on time, because, you know, everyone's waiting for you. But during that time, as you know, hindi naman ako may hawak ng schedule ko. Kumbaga, nung araw kasi, sinabi, pumunta ka ng Cubao, walang tanong-tanong yun. So pag sinabi nila na 8 AM ang shooting mo, 8 AM shooting mo. And during those times, wala naman tayong mga cut-off. So as in, super lagari ako. And nag-aaral din ako nung mga panahon na yon. But I remember that distinctly because it was Tita Nida. And I know that she said it out of love also.
Concern.
Out of concern. And kumbaga, ano yung sa akin? Wake up call yun sa akin na oo nga naman. Diba? But of course, I apologized, and then I became more mindful of my schedule. Kumbaga kasi hindi nga ako nakikialam naman ko dati. I was only 14 when I started. So, kumbaga, yun na nga, sunod-sunod lang talaga kung sinong magsabi kung saan ako pupunta. I also remember one time, long time ago, Alfie Lorenzo, may he rest in peace. Si Tito Alfie, nasa see-through kami. And then I came from the US. And then, syempre, medyo nakailang taon ako sa Amerika. And parang, nawala yung pagsabi ko ng tito. Tito, or tita, or kuya, or ate. So live sa see-through, sabi niya, bakit hindi mo ako tinatawag na tito? Eh, ang mami mo nga, kaedad ko, tinatawag din akong tito. So, alam mo yung namutla ako? Namutla po talaga ako na parang, it wasn't my intention to be, or if he felt that I disrespected him during that time, but because it was something that I got used to eventually because I was out of the country for a while. So, yun, yung mga small reminders, naalala ko, umuwi ako noon, umiiyak ako. Kasi parang feeling ko napahiya ako. And then, nung nakita kami ulit ni Tito Alfie then, sabi niya, I'm just reminding you that our culture, regardless your age, you say po, you say opo, you say tito, you say tita, and kuya, at ate. So it was a reminder of how, of course, yung kultura natin. So, hindi din po ako na-spare dahil anak ako ni Nora Honor Christopher De Leon. I was not spared at all. So, lahat po ng pangaral din at lahat ng patikos, nakuha ko. It was fair play with me. Napapagalitan din po ako ng direktor, nasasabihan ako, pagkakamali ako. And kahit na nung nagbalik na ako sa showbiz, si Direk Chito Ronyo, I remember there was one time, galing kaming Batangas, alas 6 ng umaga, traffic sa SX, lumuluha ako. Tinawagan ko si Janine, ayoko ng mag-artista yata. Kasi nasinta talaga ako ni Direk Chito. And nung time lang na yun, nung nagpaalam na ako that same night, sabi ko, Direk, paalis na po ako. Sabi niya, okay, see you. So meaning to say, parang wala lang sa kanya. But ako, I took it personally. So I learned also during that time na hindi, kumbaga siguro hindi lang niya makuha yung gusto niya from me. So I learned to listen. I learned to also be patient, and I learned to not to take everything personally. Kumbaga kaya sinasabihan dahil meron ka pang ibubuga at merong you can do something better. So I was not spared at all po.
At saka siguro lahat pagdaanan mo talaga. Even anak ka ng producer or...
Opo. And like Lotot and Friends, it was produced by NCV Productions by my mom. Pero you have to be rehearsals on time. Kailangan gawin mo yung trabaho mo, hindi ka pwedeng ma-late. So, hindi porket nag-produce yung magulang, hindi mo nagagawin yung trabaho mo. Like what Geraldine said, you have to step up and you have to, kumbaga kung ano din yung hinihingi sa'yo, you have to deliver. Ganun po.
Thank you, Lot.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, June, ikaw na lang bahala magtanong.